Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter egg Maggi. This simple guide will help you create a delicious and comforting meal in just a few minutes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Maggi noodles, its included tastemaker, 1 large egg, about 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 cups of water. Optional garnishes like fresh cilantro or green chilies can add extra flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by pouring 2 cups of water into a small saucepan and bring it to a rolling boil over medium heat. Once the water is boiling, carefully add your Maggi noodles and the entire tastemaker packet. Stir everything gently to ensure the noodles separate and cook evenly. Let it simmer for about 2 minutes, or until the noodles are perfectly tender and most of the water has been absorbed. This is where the magic happens. Once your noodles are nearly done, create a small well in the center of the pan. Carefully crack 1 large egg directly into this space. Let the egg cook undisturbed for about 1 minute, allowing the white to set slightly. Then, gently scramble and mix the egg into the noodles until it's fully incorporated. Finally, add 2 generous tablespoons of butter, stirring until it melts completely, adding richness. Your delicious butter egg Maggi is now ready to enjoy. Carefully transfer the hot noodles into a serving bowl. If you like, sprinkle some fresh chopped cilantro or a few sliced green chilies on top for an extra burst of flavor and color. This quick and easy meal is perfect for any time you crave something warm and satisfying. Enjoy every single bite of your homemade, flavorful Maggi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.